Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can see the text effect, design the text effects on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, we need to create an account on the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I have already created an account. And after that, opening the Adobe Express, as you can see, has the option for the documents. So we have to click on the documents. And after that, we need to click on the view all. And after clicking on the view all, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, in the end you will see the text effect option. So we have to click on the text effect option, and after clicking on this, you will be redirected to this board, this editor. So we have to wait for a few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. So let's see. So as you can see, now it's open. Go premium with a free trial. So you have to go to the premium. If you want to go this, you can also do it. So I'm going to cut this one, and after cutting this, as you can see, this is the basic text, and here the text effects will be provided. Like if I'm going to select in this, so let's click on this, and this text effect will be applied on your text. So as you can see, these all text effects are provided here. If you want to scroll down, if you will scroll down, as you can see, some other text effects are also provided here. If you want to apply this one, you have to click on this, and this will be applied to on your text. So in this way, you can use the text effect in your Adobe Express, and you can use these all text effects any kind of design which you design Adobe Express. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can see the text effects on Adobe Express. So it's very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.